For today's video, I will be talking about how to record property sales with closing statements in QuickBooks Online. Hi, this is Kyle from UnitCo. I am a property management bookkeeper and an aspiring entrepreneur. So I help real estate investors manage their financials for tax and profit purposes. Let's get started. So we are now in QuickBooks Online. So we have here a sample closing statements for 1 to 3 sample property. And what we're going to do is input this information into QuickBooks Online. So this is what happens usually. In property closing, usually the transaction that will appear in your bank feed is just the net sale. As you can see in the sample bank, you will see the net sale alone, and we have here 8 transactions, right? But what's appearing here is just the net sale. So we better put this in a journal entry so that we can include the transactions that are not appearing in the bank feed, and we don't want to miss any of the transactions because some of them are tax deductible. So we are now going to input this in a journal entry. So click the accountant tool, click journal entries, and then now we're going to edit first the date. So for this example, we're going to put December 31, 2021, and then we're going to record these one by one. Alright, so amount sale property sale, credit total of $300,000 to total sale amount. Then the next one is school tax. So taxes and licenses, how is it? 5,000. Then school tax in the description. School tax. Property tax 10,000. I mean taxes and licenses 10,000. Property tax. Then attorney fees, professional and legal fees. It is $7,000. And attorney fees, professional fees 3,000. Professional fees, title fees. So I'm going to put just legal and professional services here for about $500. Title fees, recording fees, legal and professional services 200, and then recording fees. Lastly, we're going to record the net income or the cash coming in our bank account. In this case, we're going to categorize it in the sample bank company. Sample bank. Okay. So here, it will appear the total amount automatically. $274,300. So we're going to put it as due amount to seller. And then check if everything is fine and it looks good. You can now save and close. And now we're going back to bank feed. Click sample bank. As you can see here, QuickBooks Online detect that we have a matchable transaction. So if you know that this is the right transaction, you can match that. So in this case, we're going to match this. Please comment with your suggestions and insights. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day and God bless.